My name is Coda, and this is my 408 stroker LS swapped 350Z. Now, it may not seem like anything special right now, but would you believe me if I told you we're about 4 things of installations away from getting this thing running? Of course, this is just the intro to the video, and just like every great project, there's a story. So, in order to tell that story, we gotta start from the beginning. What's up, guys? Cody here. This is a pretty big announcement video for this channel. Just want to start off to apologize how dirty the garage is. If I had, any choice whatsoever, it would not look like this. But, sometimes things just don't work out. You do with what you're given. Beside me, I'm not sure if you can exactly see it. I'll show you guys here in a second, just in case. But I have my LS, sorry, it's not LS, it's a Vortec, but most people will know LS more than they would know Vortec. Vortec is pretty much just the brother of LS motors. To summarize it down, it's an LQ4 iron block 6 liter. The 6 liter we are boring 30 over. Got a bunch of packages right here. All these boxes you pretty much see around me are practically stuff for the V8 build. If you're active on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you will know I've been kind of hinting at what the build is going to be very, very soon. And of course, without giving everything away, I would like to introduce you guys to the biggest part of the whole entire channel, the LS Swap 350Z. And this is where we're starting it today. So, like I said, LQ4 60 block, port 30 over, 20 dish pistons. If anybody knows what dish pistons are, they're just pistons with a little dish. It's literally that simple. It's like holding a bowl. So these 20 dish pistons, they you can pick up compression, but you lose compression. So the way it works, flat top pistons go all the way up and all the way back down, but they're flat. So they pick up more compression, down compression. Dish pistons limit the compression that could be grabbed or created, and dish pistons are really just meant for boost. So without giving away everything, down the road may or may not see some boost. It's going to be a 408 cubic inch, so pretty much the equivalent to a 6.7 liter stroker V8. I'm not exactly sure what numbers I'm going to be getting. If I'm being honest, seeing 5s or mid 5s to low 6s would be perfect, but to be honest, the low compression motor, it's probably not going to be anything crazy. We're estimating 9.5 to 1 ratio, if 10. But yeah, that's just kind of what's been happening. I would show you guys 350Z. It looks amazing right now in the sun, but a lot of you guys already know what the Z looks like. If you don't, we bought it from broken and I built it from practically what it is now. So that being said, a lot of work has been going into this car, and a lot of you guys have been with me for the majority of it. Anyways, today's plan, I pretty much have just been going over the engine, opening up some oil galley holes, getting rid of sharp edges on the block, pretty much anything that could affect the way oil travels in the engine. Doing this is super simple if you take your time, but it's very important to do this just because when you have more oil flow and more continuous oil flow, well, summarized, better oil flow. And when you have better oil flow, you increase the longevity of your motor. I got to do a couple more things like the oil galley holes underneath the cam and the rotating assembly. Those are very, very sharp and don't exactly have the time to record it, so you just have to trust me. What you guys have seen in the cinematics, is stuff that's previously been done, but I got to finish up some stuff here soon. I'm going to have one of my friend's dads come over, and he is actually building a Lincoln 5.0. I can't really tell you all about it because he's got some stuff planned for it, but we'll show you later down the road, I'm sure. And he's going to be picking up me with the motor. We already got the lift out and all that stuff. We're going to be putting it in back, taking it up to Nashville, Tennessee to get the motor bored 30 over, all this other stuff. So I'll update you guys when I have more time, but right now I just wanted to let you guys know what is happening with the V8, and welcome to the start of the LS swap. So yeah, get back with you guys soon. Coils, timing setup. You could either go for a CD09 transmission, which a lot of people already do because it already works with the 350Z chassis, or you can do a T56. I decided to opt in for the CD09. Oh. Got it. Making sure I wasn't rubbing like coolant or something on it.
touch me with that.
Chain dampener. We gotta press the timing gear on. That's a different noise. Stuck.
He turning the winches.
Hose is on there, boy. Try spitting on it? No, not yet.
Was a hard working man right there.
You sound like someone off of Family Guy. He's a hard working man right there. Oh, right there, boy.
This is Dakota's wiggle stick. We are about to remove said wiggle stick.
Okay. There's 2 washers on that and a spring. You got the spring?
Yep.
Okay, can you get this bolt for me?
Yep.
Alright, that's everything there.
Cool beans.
Since I'm already under here, I'm gonna try to disconnect this line.
So Dakota.
What's up, bud?
Come here often?
I try not to. We are currently disconnecting the transmission, the harness that goes to the transmission. We'll just try to pull out everything out at once. I think on this channel I showed you guys the process of how I took the transmission down by myself in the winter and had to get all that stuff figured out on my back with the snow. So thankfully I know how to take most of this off already. So unbuckle here and it should wrap all the way back around the transmission. The issue with having fat hands is doesn't really work well with skinny shit. That's why I'm single. Oh, also zoom in on my custom trim job with Honda crush washers.
What is that?
That is what you call perfection. I'll have to teach you someday. Now when stuff goes in my eyes. I'm legally blind. You ponder on that. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this motor mount off. We'll pause the video for right now. We're I'm gonna get under there and guide it out.
All right.
Hold everything.
Hold it.
There's a flag on the play.
Wait a minute.
Very big flag. Oh shit. Okay, it's coming down. I have to. There's no other choice.
Okay.
It's free now.
She's free.
Wait till the house. It's alright. Chill. Oh. Easy does it.
Sorry.
The same thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. we'll pause it here. Probably another day. Start getting the race transmission hooked up to the V8. Nice. Thank you for interrupting. Get the race transmission hooked up to the V8. Thank you to ISR and Corbu for sponsoring. So we'll go from there and get everything hooked back up. See you guys another day. And just like that, guys, she's out. Took a lot of effort to try and get her on the pallet right there. It's as you can see, it's dark, but get her out. She's all cleaned up. Just gonna clean up my mess, put some kitty litter on the transmission fluid, clean up all my tools, call it a day, call it a night. Now that leads us to now. What's next? Well, we gotta finish a couple things on the fuel system, get the rest of the oiling system plugged back in, prime the motor, put the harness on, and get our tune from our tuner, and this thing's ready to start. See you guys then.